The Zojirushi Micom water boiler and warmer is one of our newest water boilers. Designed to quickly heat water and keep it at the selected temperature, this water boiler is an ideal appliance for your home or office. Available in a 3 and 4 liter capacity, the stylish Micom water boiler and warmer is versatile enough to heat water for brewing teas, making coffee, preparing instant noodles or oatmeal, and blanching vegetables. To use, simply fill the container with clean water, plug in, and select the desired temperature setting on the LCD display panel. The water boiler comes with 4 selectable keep warm temperature settings: 208, 195, 175, and 160 degrees. That keeps water warm at the ideal temperature for a variety of uses. Delicate teas are best brewed at 160 degrees, while 175 degrees is the ideal brewing temperature for green teas. Oolong tea is best brewed at 195 degrees. And at 208 degrees, the hot water is great for brewing black teas and herbal teas. At 208 degrees, you can quickly bring water back to a boil to make coffee, instant noodles or oatmeal, and blanch vegetables. The Micom water boiler and warmer also comes with the optional Quick Temp mode. This convenient feature heats water to 195, 175, or 160 degrees without first bringing it to a boil. A great feature for those who prefer to use filtered water or who need to quickly heat water, saving energy and a significant amount of time. Dispensing hot water is easy using the electric dispensing system. Simply place your cup under the spout, press the unlock button, then press the dispense button. Cafe drip dispensing decreases the amount of water dispensed to 60% of the normal setting, making it suitable for brewing cafe drip coffee. The LCD panel shows the actual water temperature at all times, and the convenient delay timer function saves energy by shutting off electricity to the heater until it's time to heat water again. The lid detaches easily, convenient for disposing water. This water boiler also comes with multiple safety features, including an automatic dispense lock, auto shutoff, which turns off the heater when there's no water in the inner container, and a removable magnetic power cord which easily detaches from the machine. The non-stick coated stainless steel interior and all other food contact zones are BPA-free, and combined with an easy-to-read water level gauge, a swivel base, and a sturdy handle, the Zojirushi Micom water boiler and warmer is a great addition to your countertop. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.